a Sunday drive, and my apologies for this angle because you're clearly looking up my nose, but I'm driving the Civic FN2. It's a little bit damp out, and frankly that's okay because I'm taking my time and I'm chilling out in the FN2 today. Probably want to start this video by saying that every piece of music on Radio 1 is garbage. Every single piece of it. I forgot my phone lead, and I forgot my obviously my screen mount, so this is what you're getting. I'm having to drive listening to garbage, and normally I'd be cruising and listening to some Prodigy, LTJ Bookham, those sorts of things, but no, not today. Had a great day at Dynodaze yesterday, enjoyed it, it was very chilled out. I want to say a big thank you for those of you that took the time to speak to Joe, who came down. Joe absolutely loves the cars. He's a big fan of anything that makes any noise. So those of you who let him sit in your car, take a photograph or have a chat with him, I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. So thank you very much. It was a great day, lots of cool people. Thanks to all the people that turned up. I would name them all, but that'd take me some time. So the video's live on YouTube already, so go check that out. And once again, thanks to everyone who looked after Joe and made him feel like they gave him some people gave him some time, and I really appreciate it. So thanks ever so much from Dynodaze and from me. Yeah, so I'll be mostly just chilling out, driving around. I think I'll probably be sat in silence because I hate the radio. There's nothing good on oh good lord, that's how angry I'm getting with the radio. There's nothing good on it. I can't listen to my tunes. I've not got a CD. I think I have actually got a CD player, but I don't own any CDs anymore. Now, some of you are seeing in the Honda scene that there's a couple of problems happening in other companies, and Dynodaze just wants to wish everybody well and hope that everybody gets sorted out. The old saying, there's no smoke without fire. I think it's time to be responsible with your spending and have a chat with someone on the phone before you buy anything. If you ever want to call us and speak to us on the phone at Dynodaze, please do that. Please do that. We're going to be here for the next million years because we think that what we're doing is sensible and well, ultimately we're enthusiasts at heart. So if you ever do want to speak to Dynodaze about your build, about a part that you want to purchase, some car parts are expensive, and I could understand why people are getting upset when they're spending money at other companies and never hearing from them. Not an email, not a phone call, no parts turning up. I can see it happening, and I just hope that it all sorts itself out. I hope that everybody gets back to where they should be and that people get their money or their parts. So those of you who are in the scene, you know what I'm talking about. And I want to wish everybody well and hope that they sort their business out. I hope that the customers get the parts that they require. Dynodaze is always here to help you. So do give us a shout if you do need any parts, or you need any mapping, or you want some genuine, honest, hard work done, then give us a shout. I think I'm going to go and collect my thoughts in silence this afternoon. Yeah, I think that's good. I've had a great week, other than falling down the stairs at work, other than a little bit of a sniffle and a cold and a bit of a cough. I think everything's gone according to plan. And yeah, just really grateful. And you know, I've not done a Sunday drive for such a long time because we've been busy. But I just want to say again how thankful and grateful that everyone at Dynodaze and Uncle Keith's paint shop is for your support and your business and generally, you know, the good positive vibe that we're getting. Uncle Keith has put out some staggering work this week. You've got to see it. There's going to be some videos going live, and everyone that's seen it has commented on how amazing it is. And yeah, well, I knew that because I've seen it before. I've seen it for a long time, but you guys maybe didn't know how good he was, and now you know. So if you didn't know, now you know. So go check out Uncle Keith's paint shop's YouTube channel, because there's some videos going up on there. I shall put some content up there. Generally, have a really good Sunday, chill out. Everyone get back to work on Monday, and we'll get some quality work done, and we'll make some quality videos. There's a couple of really nice Honda Civic EP3 videos going up, both cosmic grey. I mean, we think cosmic grey is the best colour, but yeah, what do you think? Let us know in the comments below where you are today and what you're doing. I've got quite a bit of quite a bit of stuff to do online, but it's cool, man. I'm chilling. It's Sunday and I'm chilling, and let's see if I can't just move this. Oh, that's better, isn't it? I've actually parked for a moment. So yeah, let me know what you're doing today. Just a quick little video to basically tell you that I'm really grateful for those that turned up yesterday to the event. Met some new people, met some brilliant people, met someone who had had his car for 21 years. It was a Honda Civic. He'd had it for 21 years. He fell out of love with it, but he didn't sell it. He put it on the back burner, and I wish I would have done that with some of my cars. I really, really do. Yeah, it was really nice to see. And there were some great cars there as well. So, yeah, so check that video out. It was a nice chilled out day, and I just wanted to say thanks. So, peace out, everybody. I'll see you Monday morning, 8 AM for a live, and yeah, see you all very, very soon. Peace out.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.